Good morning, dear students. I am Shikhar Srivastav. Today is the first day of your maths class. You always shown lots of interest in maths. So the same interest I want in 6th standard also. So let's start your very first chapter of maths in 6th standard, which is Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers. Numbers play an important role in mathematics. We have studied about counting numbers in primary classes. However, we shall review them here and extend our study to have the ideas of larger number. We may express numbers in figure as well as in words. Numbers, a word or symbol that indicate quantity of anything, a group of numbers that is used to identify somebody or something, like telephone numbers, Aadhaar number, or to give number to something like house number, bus number, used for saying how many peoples or things are there, like how what is the strength of our school, what is the strength of your class, how many members in your family. So numbers are very important in our life. Notation. Writing a number in figure is called notation, numeration. Writing a number in word is called numeration. Now we will recall and revise the Hindu Arabic system we already have studied in our previous class. Hindu Arabic system of writing numbers. In Hindu Arabic system, we use 10 symbols, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, called digits or figure to represent any number. A group of digits denoting a number is called a numeral. We use place value system to represent a number. For a giving number, we start from the extreme right as ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, etc. Now we will understand things by example. Like if we are having any number 9, 8, 3, 6. First of all, we will mention the place ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now the number is 9,836. Again, we will see one more example. 8, 2, 7, 6, 5. We will write the place ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. Now we will read the number 82,765. We will write another number. We will understand the things with another number. 3, 5, 6, 8, 0, 4. We will write the place ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. How we will read this number? 3,56,804. Now, the next topic is face value and place value of any number. The face value of a digit remains as it is whatever place it may be occupying in the place value chart. We will understand by example. If we are having any number like 3, 2, 4, 5, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So we have to find the face value of any number. Again, the face value of a digit remains as it is, whatever place it may be occupying in the place value chart. Means numbers किसी भी place पर हों, it does not matters. The face value of any number will remain same. Means face value of 3 will be 3, face value of 2 will be 2, face value of 4 will be 4, face value of 5 will be 5. Means if we will take another number like 4839. Now if I want face value of 3, so face value of 3 will be 3 only, remains same. It does not matter which place that number is occupied. Again, 3, 2, 5, 6. So we will do here. What is the face value of 3? Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 5 is 5. फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 6 इज 6. इससे हमें ये समझ में आता है पर्टिकुलर नंबर किसी भी प्लेस में हो ये मैटर नहीं करता है, फेस वैल्यू उस नंबर की सेम ही होती है. नाउ वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द टॉपिक place value. The place value of a digit in a numeral depends upon the place it occupies in the place value chart. Means जैसा कि इसका नाम ही है place value means this thing depend on place of number. Means now we will understand with example. If we are having one number 3, 8, 5, 7. So first of all we will mention the place 1, tens, 100, 1000. Place value of 3. So what would be the place value of 3? 3 is the place in the place of 1000. So we will multiply 3 with 1000. Okay. We will multiply 3 with 1000 means it become 3000. Place value of 3 will be 3000. Then after if we want place value of 8, so place value of 8 multiply किस प्लेस में है ये 100 के प्लेस में है तो हम इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो इट विल बी 800. प्लेस वैल्यू हो गई आपकी 8 की 800. नाउ द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 5. सो इफ वी वांट प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 मल्टीप्लाई 5 का प्लेस क्या है टेंस है तो हम इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 10 से. देन अवर आंसर विल बी 50. मीन्स कंक्लूजन इज कि प्लेस वैल्यू में जो नंबर जिस भी प्लेस पे होता है हम उस प्लेस से उस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल वी विल सी 5, 6, 8, 9, 6. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will mention the place of every number. ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. ओके, नाउ अब आपको किसी भी नंबर का प्लेस वैल्यू निकालना है, सो आपको बस एक ही काम करना है, उस नंबर को उस प्लेस से हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इफ आई वांट प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 6, तो आई विल मल्टीप्लाई 6 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1000. आई विल गेट माई आंसर 6000. अगेन, if I want place value of 9, so what I will do, I will multiply 9 with the place. What is the place? Tens. So it would be 90. 90 would be the place value of 9. Again we will take one more example. 7, 2, 3, 5, 8. Now first of all we will mention all the place: ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. If we want प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ एनी नंबर, मीन्स अगर मुझे प्लेस वैल्यू चाहिए होगी 2 की, तो मैं 2 को उसके प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगी. व्हाट इज द प्लेस ऑफ 2? 1000. 1000. सो इट बिकम्स 2000. नाउ इफ आई वांट प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 7, so I will multiply 7 with the place. 7 multiply with 10,000. So it will be 70,000. Okay. Yes. Now, hope you understand place value, face value, and how we will write any number in the form of Hindu Arabic system. Thank you.